Got to the pitch of it so there was no turn. Not that time. Not that time. Oh, he goes big. Has he gone big enough? No.
Oh, got him. Rashid Khan.
Oh, no, Mohamed Amir, no.
Full leg side, will it carry out there? It does.
Packed crowd. Bowled him.
Fortunately.
Bowled him.
Oh, Rashid. He's so good.
Shouts to catch him out of a wicket first up, he does. Oh, it's a big appeal. This looks good. And it is good. Rashid's back. Oh, he's got him.
Gone.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Another wicket for Rashid Khan. Talk about a comeback. This is what resilience in this format looks like. High quality, world class bowling.